Imagine this, you're relaxing at home, enjoying the peace and quiet, when suddenly a pipe bursts, water's gushing everywhere, flooding your floors and soaking your walls and damaging everything in its path. Now what if I told you this nightmare could have been avoided with a simple yet crucial installation of a pressure reduction valve? Your home is filled with pipes carrying water from one end to the other, hidden away in walls and under flooring or even in the ceiling. But what happens when all your taps in your home are closed and the water has nowhere to go? Without a pressure reduction valve, your plumbing system is at the mercy of whatever pressure your local council has set. Now, most people want high water pressure. They want that strong, satisfying pressure from their taps and shower heads. But what they don't realise is too much pressure can be destructive. It can damage your expensive appliances like your dishwasher, washing machine, all leading to costly repairs or replacements. Think about it. You've invested in the top of the line dishwasher, a new washing machine, maybe even a luxurious shower head. High water pressure may seem great at first, but it's slowly wearing down these appliances and fixtures prematurely. Without a pressure reduction valve, you're risking all of that. But with a pressure reduction valve installed, you can protect your home, your appliances, and your wallet. It's about finding the perfect balance. Enough pressure to keep things running smoothly, but not so much where it's causing damage. It's not just about protection, sometimes it's about peace of mind. Knowing your home is safe from the dangers of high water pressure is worth every penny. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Installing a pressure reduction valve could save you thousands in repairs and prevent the heartache of dealing with water damage in your home. Protect what matters most, your home, your family, and your future.